My wokest opinion is that family vlogging, I think there's nothing wrong with it.
Hello?
Don't eat something if you're going to talk bad about it. I think this is the most well-mannered way you can go about something. The evolution of content creation space and its audience has been a very interesting concept. ये videos का कोई बहुत detailed analysis या कोई breakdown नहीं है. This is more like me being frustrated and confused as like जो मैं चीजें observe कर रहा हूँ उनके बारे में and then just saying it out into a camera. In the words of a great storyteller, Pakistani content creation space is not all there, and you would assume that I'm about to blame someone like Rajab Bhatt या Ducky Bhai के. My wokest opinion is that family vlogging, just generally the genre of it or the content space that it is, I think there's nothing wrong with it. लोग जिस तरह करते हैं, I think उसमें थोड़ा morals आ जाते हैं and then like morally corrupt हो सकते हैं, but that's also a subjective thing. For one person it can be wrong, for some it can't be. At its core, family vlogging, there's nothing wrong with it. People can do what they want. How convenient and easy it is कि मैं बस बैठे बैठे बोल दूँ हाँ इनकी वजह से हुआ है, when their content is already criticizable और उनकी image थोड़ी सी खराब हुई है, तो it would be such a like low hanging fruit. I'm like, you know what, खराब, shame on you ducky भाई, but shame on you. I think as a consumer of content ये कुछ moments होते हैं when we, if we're a bit more correct with our language and how the statements that we pass, believe it or not, I think this is when it could make a good change. More than a year ago, like almost a year ago, one of my relatives came from abroad and they said कि ओ ये रजब भट्ट जो है मुझे तो समझ नहीं आता कि ये कौन लोग होते हैं जो एक कंटेंट देखते हैं. एंड आई वाज लाइक ओके टेल मी मोर अबाउट दिस, लाइक व्हाट डिड यू सी. एंड देन ही डिस्क्राइब्स हिज प्रीवियस व्लॉग, उसमें ये हुआ था. एंड देन आई वाज लाइक ओके टेल मी मोर. एंड देन ही डिस्क्राइब्ड हिज अनदर व्लॉग एंड आई थॉट टू माई सेल्फ के यू नो हिज क्वेश्चन वाज के मुझे समझ नहीं आता ये कौन लोग होते हैं जो ये कंटेंट देते हैं. एंड आई काइंड ऑफ हैड एन आंसर के लाइक कौन लोग ये कंटेंट देखते हैं. यू, इफ यू डिडंट लाइक इट, व्हाई डिड यू कंज्यूम इट and then kept on consuming it and then decided to talk about it. I understand where that frustration was coming from, but I think the execution of that complaint could have been done in a way better way. I think we just as a nation just did never learn to like be segregated with our emotions. तो
आप क्या इंग्लिश झाड़ रहे हैं, कोई काम की बात है आपके पास?
हाँ बताता हूँ. I feel like the audience is somewhat responsible for the fame that they have. Like if an actor is being rude to their fans, then I think people can say you are here solely because of your fans. If a content creator is being weird with the content that they are creating, I think it's also fair to say that like they're at that stage because people decide to watch them, and उन लोग ना देखें तो like they wouldn't be there. But that's the problem, people like to talk about it. Just don't watch it if you don't like it. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि content creator से सारा blame हटा देना चाहिए. I think it's really important to hold people accountable for their wrongdoing. If someone does anything wrong, you call them out. जब मुझे कोई content अच्छा नहीं लगता ना, I feel like the best way to go about it is just scroll away and just it goes away. फिर मैं उसके बारे में बात नहीं करता. I don't go on their profile and be like मैं सारा content देखूंगा and then I'm going to discuss it, because that's such a productive way to go about things. I thought that's just generally how everyone consumes content. I was wrong. Not a lot of people do. लोग ये क्यों करते हैं मुझे नहीं पता. शायद उनको वो कंटेंट अच्छा नहीं लगता, शायद उनको लगता है वो उनसे बेहतर है, या किसी इनसिक्योरिटी की वजह से. I don't know. All of the above. But I do think one of the things that very much needed in Pakistani content spaces is media literacy. And it's not even that deep. आपको डिग्री नहीं चाहिए होती है. Media literacy is literally just being more mindful of the content that you consume and seeing कि what it's doing to me और इसका purpose क्या है और वो क्यों बना हुआ है. Like ये हमारी पूरी like डिग्री इसके around revolve करती थी. But yeah, YouTube used to be everyone's go-to platform back in the day. I remember when there were big dogs like इरफान जुनेजो, मूरू. I used to go to college और कॉलेज से वापस आता था तो इरफान भाई की वीडियो होती थी, and then on a good day it would be इरफान जुनेजो and मूरू दोनों की वीडियो, and that would be a great day. Watching that with food, hell yeah. There were also these personality vloggers जो अपने slice of life दिखाते थे. मोमिना मुनीर, हाया ज़ामिन, बिलाल अजीम. Storytelling में there's also Shahzad show. Those were simpler times. I think it was somewhat niche उस टाइम पे to be like content consumer, like 2017-ish में. I think the audience was just a bit more well-mannered. It was COVID 2020 when I actually decided I have a lot of time and I have always had a knack for content creation. I used to do it as a kid and I want to do it again. I did it and I gave it a shot. I did it, and sooner or later I realized that all of these people जिनका content मैं देखता हूँ, they're watching my videos, and I was such a high कि like what is happening. All of these people
they know me.
Made short long form content for some time, and then eventually everyone just started moving to Instagram because short form content came in, and then it was just the most digestible thing ever कि छोटी सी वीडियो में सारी information थोपते थे. There's a formula to make videos work, and everyone just started figuring that out. वो सारा process हुआ. I think a lot of creators found their footing on Instagram and then even TikTok, and I think I was one of those creators कि YouTube पे I didn't go like as big. Some of my videos like got a bit more recognition, but then Instagram पे every video did. Sooner or later, all of these people that are creating content alongside peers they started getting their recognition. It was still a very nice time until the rise of shit posting. A lot of creators did find their footing within shit posting as well. I know I did. My most viewed video जिसकी वजह से I'm recognized was a shit post. Places in countries that I have not set foot in, houses that I have not been in, I am known for that video. And that video was me just being like, किसी को मेरे से प्यार है, अभी confess कर दे, वरना बाद में glow up हो गया, फिर मैंने किसी मुंह नहीं लगा रहा. Bushra, तुम ये video, there's no Bushra. It was a character that me and my friend used to talk. That's having had made short form content for so long, I realized that short form content is very disposable. It's made to be just like forgotten. ऐसा लग रहा होता है, like the best way to describe like वो जो for you page होता है ना, is के going through like a market and then छोटी छोटी दुकानें, it get like you're going through a market, इधर दुकानें, और हर दुकान से एक बंदा निकल के he's trying to sell you something the fastest. 3 सेकंड के हुक में आपको बताना है कि ये चीज़ है, आ जाओ, and then whatever is the most intriguing you're like अच्छा जाके देख लेते हैं, and that is literally what the For You page is. अरे process में short form content became disposable. Disposable doesn't necessarily mean bad. It doesn't stick around for that long. But when content is disposable, I realized that the audience decided to be just as disposable with the things that they have to say. I think a lot of people are way more comfortable on Instagram with hating and trolling. Just because the content was disposable, the audience did not hesitate to make comments that are disposable as well. It's sort of become a trend to be edgy and wanting attention. अगर कोई इंसान अपना passion pursue कर रहा हो and the first thing that I have to say in their comment is something negative like hidden talent, keep it hidden. Yeah. If I'm doing something like that, I would probably look at myself in the mirror and reanalyze my life. Okay, what happened to someone who wanted to try to achieve greatness and then got lost in the middle? Ek exercise hai. This is a very random exercise. You can do it right now through the screen. Think of the most intelligent, smartest person that you know of. Ke ye banda credible hai, and I want to be like this person. Now imagine that person leaving like a very filthy hate comment on someone's post. You can't imagine them because that's not what credible people do. You can imagine them leaving like a nice comment. Just people are very outright with their hate and just not the nicest people ever. But khair, updates about life. I have moved to Lahore and this is my little room. I have to set this up a bit. There's little things like a bed situation that I've rugged. I have to get so much more wall hangings. Boom. I forgot to record the outro for this video, but I'd really like for you to stick around if you like this video. And if you want to add to this conversation, feel free to do so in the comments, and I will see you next time.